Hey my friends, how are you? I got a new stash of Miniart kits and stuff, so let's have a look. So I got the German tankers refueling kit, which is really good. You get 2 figures and you get 4 of these and maybe 2 of those, I think, and you get 4 of those. I like these little half diorama figure kits that they make. I like them. Also, look, I got this one, the Soviet signs, so that's really cool. You get this really cool decal sheet in it, and you also get power poles from their old diorama series, which is really good. Got the Dragon kit, Winter's Onset. This is an older kit, I think it's from 2003, but these figures are really cool. Heard good things about them, and they will go with my Operation Typhoon figures that I got. I've also got a Dragon Typhoon figure kit, and I got the one out of the Dustworks pack that I couldn't use with the 75mm cannon. And then we got the German Tankman painting camo. You get some ladders, so a big one and a small one, 2 figures, and the compressor. Got the TACAM T60. Now this one's cool. I got it at a really good price. So I originally saw that they've got 2 versions of this Miniart, and they've got one without the tent, poles there. But I really wanted this one, but this one wasn't on special, the other one was, but all of a sudden this one on the Boxing Day sales went on special, so I picked this one up. It's 40% off. And you can see that they sell it for $60. I think it was about $40. $35, something like that. It was a really good price. Everything, all these were 40% off, which was really good. Also got the earlier tractor, which is really nice. I've got the later one. I don't know if you can see it there, just there. So that'll be cool. But the one that I really think is really good, that I've overlooked, is this one. This was a really good one, and it was on special at a really good price. Like, I think it was about $35. This thing here, this truck, this, what do you call it, the KFZ 70, looks unreal. And then you've got the really good version of the 7.62mm, because they've got the older Zis 3 ones that they've built. Well, they're older, this is the older one in reality, but this is a newer one that Miniart have done, and then this one's got all the photo etch and all that kind of stuff on it. But then they've got the older Zis 3 ones that are not as good, but this one is awesome. It looks unreal, and the box, it's just absolutely chockers of stuff. There's just heaps of cool stuff in here. Everything looks really good. You get some ammo. Yeah, but it's a really good kit. This is a really nice kit. As you can see, you get a hell of a lot of stuff. You get 3 photo etch frets. You don't get many decals, but it's a really, looks like a really difficult build. One of their harder ones. But as you come along here, it starts to get pretty complicated. Like, getting all this together and getting it painted and everything right. But you've got a choice of having see how complicated it's going to get. But you have a choice of having the top down or the top up. So I think I'm going to have the top up, so the top on like this, but I'll have some figures painted in there already. That's what I reckon. I might steal the figure set from that kit, the tractor kit, because they've just put in different figure sets. They put in that one, they put in the Panzer Grenadier set that they have, and oh, they've got this self-propelled crew set. It's an older one that they put in as well. So that'll go, that self-propelled crew kit will go well with this. And I can put the Totenkopf guys in that. But yeah, it's really good. And then you got the cannon. Of course, this is a bit of a hard build as well. You get some ammo boxes, and then these are the choices they give for you. So they're really good. Really cool kit, that one, so I'm really happy with that. I'll show you the dragon kit. So you get 2 sprues. I reckon their guns are a little small, they're older ones. But they look pretty good. You get an older Panzerfaust. But although they're 2003, they're older ones, and you can see they've got that older feel to them, they do look pretty good. Not the greatest. I'll probably add some more modern accessories. Those helmets are cool because they got the felt on them. But the heads are pretty solid. You know, some of the older Miniart heads are pretty dodgy. They come up pretty good. You see these newer Miniart ones are really good. So you get a fair bit of stuff in this one. You get the photo etch sprue, but that's just got the photo etch parts for the jerry cans. Just 1 second. So, as you can see, you get some jerry cans. So you get the 4 jerry cans. So you can make 4 jerry cans there. And then you get the 2 barrel sets. And these have a different one on date on each one, so I think it's 1941, 1942, 1943, 1944. And then you get the figures. Now these newer Miniart figures do come out very good. You can see for plastic the folds are starting to get pretty nice. The heads are not too bad. I've already got the hoses in his hands. See, that would be handy. But they come up pretty good, these newer Miniart figures. So they look a bit crisper than those older Dragon ones. But yeah, that's what's going on. Some new kits. Bet I've got heaps of kits. They'll just go in the pile. and at 40% off, I thought I may as well. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again soon.